Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see MySQL between operator. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So first of all, we will understand what is between operator. The between operator in MySQL is used to select the values between a given range. So between operator will filter out the values based on the specific range. Suppose you want to filter the value where age is greater than 31 but age should be less than 35, so it will select the range that 30 between 30 and 35. So it will give you output based on the range. It will filter out the output based on that range only. The records which come between the age 30 and 35, all the records will be filtered out and it will give you the output. So the SQL between operator, the values can be a number, text and date. So you can apply this between operator over age, text values and over dates. The between operator is an inclusive. So if you select the age should be greater than 35 and should be less than 35, so it will include the 31 record also and 35th record also. So now we are going to see what is the syntax of between operator in MySQL. So this is the syntax of a between operator, where select, you can select a column names or you can put a star from table name where column. Now you have to define from in where condition which column you want to select or from which column you want the values. So where column name, suppose you have selected age, between is the keyword which defines the range, and there will be two values, value 1 and value 2. So between these two values you will filter out the record. So suppose you have given 31 and 35, then the value 1 will be 31 and value 2 will be 35. So based on that it will filter out the record. So we will see one example through which you will understand clearly. Select star from LFC where age between 31 and 35. So this will be our query. Select star from LFC where age between 31 and 35. So it will filter out the first record. Second record will not be filtered out because it is 26. It is not in the range of 31 to 35. 35 will be selected as an output because between operator work is inclusive. So 35 is over here, so it will also selected. 38 will not be selected. 44 will not be selected. 38 will also be not selected. Null values are also not selected. 42 also not selected. So our output will be first record and third record. So when you go with this query, so there are only two records where age is between 31 to 35. These are the first record and third record. In a similar way, you can take a higher range also. So select star from LFC where age between 25 and 40. So 31 will be selected, 26 will be selected, 35 will be selected, 38 will be selected, 44 will not be selected, 38 will be selected, null value will be not selected, and 42 will also be not selected. So when you go with this query, you can see the range like 31 is between 25 and 40, 26 will also be between these, 35 is also between 25 and 40, 38 also between 25 and 40, and 38 will be between 25 and 40. So in this way the between operator work in MySQL. You can apply the between operator in city, income, first name, last name in each and every column. You can apply in number, text and data type. So you can go through this and you can try to implement the between operator in your localhost phpMyAdmin. When you try to implement that between operator in your localhost phpMyAdmin, so it will clear your concept regarding MySQL between operator. You can try in your localhost phpMyAdmin. I have given the basic idea regarding between operator. You can also try the between operator over text, over dates. So for this video, this is it. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn MySQL. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you in our next video.